In this video, we're going to be looking at how to convert improper fractions into proper fractions. Okay, so an improper fraction is when the top number, the numerator, is bigger than the bottom number, the denominator, meaning that the fraction is worth one whole or more. For instance, let's look at the first one. I've got 9 over 4. My numerator 9 is bigger than my denominator 4. So let's convert it into a proper fraction. Okay, my first hack is, what is your denominator? I've got 9 over 4. If I have something over 4 here, my answer will be something over 4 for my proper fraction. Step 2, how many times does your denominator go into your numerator? 4 goes into 9 2 times, with one remainder. And that's how we do it. Okay, easy enough. Let's look at the second one. I've got an improper fraction of 11 over 3. So I know straight away if I have something over 3, my answer is going to be something over 3. Step 2, how many times does 3 go into 11? Okay, 3, 6, 9. It goes in 3 times with 2 left over. So I'll put my 2 as my numerator. The answer is 3 2/3. Okay, next question. 14 over 5 to a proper fraction. All right, first things first. I remember my denominator. It's going to go straight away here. How many times does 5 go into 14? It goes into 14 twice because 5, 10. So I'll put 2 there. And I have 4 left over. So that's going to be my numerator 4. 2 4/5. And then the last question, 17 over 6 to a proper fraction. Step 1, my denominator. How many times does 6 go into 17? I know that 6 goes into 17 twice. 6 times 2 is 12. I have 5 left over, and that's going to be my numerator. So the answer is 2 5/6. Okay, I hope this video helps. It is really, really easy once you know how to do it.